What are you doing? What are you doing? Pretty boy. Hi. Hey, baby boy. Do you want me to rub your belly? Is that what you want? You want a belly rub, don't you? Oh, he's a sweet boy. He's a sweet boy. You'd be a good couch buddy, wouldn't you? Oh, he's so calm. That's a good boy. Come on, let's go. What do you want to do? Huh? Want to go exploring? Go sniffing? Pretty boy. Good boy, come here. Good boy. You like the name Max? Huh? You like the name Max? That's a good boy. Do you do any ball chasing? Hello. Oh my goodness. You're a funny boy. A sweet puppy dog. Look at that pretty boy. Look how pretty he is. Oh, he wants us some lovins, huh? Yeah. Oh, little belly rub right there. Oh yeah, oh right there. Yeah. That's a pretty boy. You got some pretty coloring. Oh. The grass feels good, doesn't it? Yeah. Are you scooting this way? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh yeah, that's a good boy. Loves affection. Beautiful coat. The teeth look beautiful. See the teeth? Lets me do that. Stick my finger in there. No issues. And he walks great on a leash. Don't you, buddy? Oh, yeah. Wants to be somebody's best friend. Love the colors. Got brindle feet. A little bit of a white chest. A little bit of brindle under here. Same thing on your back legs, back paws. Just a beautiful boy. You got some eyebrows. You got some eyebrows too. Now what? Oh, more petting? Oh, right there. Trying to take pictures and video at the same time. And keep a puppy entertained. Not the easiest thing to do. Stay right there. Don't move. That's a good boy. That's a very good boy. You can lay down if you want. Awesome dog. Psst. I think you like the name Max. Who wouldn't like that name? Oh, that's a good shot. That's a pretty boy. Alright, I'm going to stop the video.